You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this dessert that comes from the Canadian city of in British Columbia. It's named after that city, pronounced not Nanaimo. No, it's pronounced Nanaimo. Yes, let's break it down. N with a schwa sound. Some may say it with a more open a sound, na, but it's usually in English n. N, then nai with a diphthong, ai, nai, I actually, Nanaimo. How to pronounce? Wow, it looks delicious and it is delicious. Nanaimo Bar. How to pronounce in English pronunciation? Canadian, Nanaimo Bar. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.